Alright, let's dive into formula completion. This is where Copilot gets a serious upgrade. As you start typing a formula, the system intelligently picks and completes it based on context, data pattern, and prior usage. No more struggling to remember complex functions or syntax. The formula completion feature of Copilot is currently working only in the web version of Excel. And in order to activate it, you need to go to the Copilot icon over here. Look for the drop down. Keep this toggle on for the frontier features. Suppose we have an income statement that looks like this, where we would like to calculate the YY variance and the YY variance percentage, which means as soon as you start typing your formula, Copilot will predict what you're trying to calculate basis the column header, and it would suggest you the appropriate formula. So here, I think it's although straightforward, but it has still calculated it correctly. Now, let's see whether it will be able to calculate the variance percentage correctly. So again, it is suggesting a correct formula where it is asking to divide the variance by the base, which is a 2023 number. So I think we are good with this. Now let's look at a more complex and a comprehensive formula than a straightforward one that we've seen earlier. In case we would like to calculate the profit for each of these transactions, we need to take out the cost from the sales amount given here. And in order to arrive at the correct cost amount, we need to multiply the units sold with the respective product cost, which is given in this table over here. So let's see if Copilot is able to make a correct suggestion here. Boom. So Copilot is making a correct suggestion here where it is calculating the profit by deducting from the sales amount, which is in C2 here, the cost amount, which is calculated by multiplying the units sold, and the respective price of headlights, which it has looked using X lookup from this table over here. So I'll go ahead with the Copilot suggestions here, but we need to make sure that we freeze the range correctly over here. Great. Now let's look at this problem statement where we are looking to extract the initials of the salesperson. Let's see what Copilot suggests here. As you can see, that this is not really a straightforward formula that you can think of probably in a minute. But Copilot actually took probably 2 seconds to figure it out. So another thing that we are looking for in this table is the quarter. Let's see what Copilot has to suggest. Again, probably 1 second or so in suggesting the correct formula, while in case I have to figure it out myself, I would have taken probably a minute or so. It's your Copilot quietly working in the background, learning from your patterns and making every calculation faster, cleaner, and smarter. You can focus more on the insights while it handles the formulas. Just a quick note, this feature is not yet available to everyone. It works only in the Excel's web version and currently rolled out exclusively to Microsoft 365 Premium subscribers who are part of the beta channel.